GQ, here's your new bike.
It's super dope.
After working all week, me and my boy Smoke took an 8-hour ride up to Tennessee to pick my bike up and to also receive a surprise from Knoxville Harley-Davidson. And leaving at 8 o'clock, it would be a tough ride throughout the night, but we would have to take a break in Alabama. Alright, we had made it to Leeds, Alabama. Been riding all night. And had to stop at the one and only. You see it over there. Dun 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 dun. Bucky. We took a bit of time to take in the Disney World of gas stations, which is Bucky's. And we walked around for a bit, grabbing some snacks and a quick nap, and then we were back on the road to head up to the volunteer state in the wee hours of the morning. What up, people? We are approximately 13 minutes out from Knoxville Harley-Davidson. We've been getting it straight through. Y'all saw the nap at Bucky's, or y'all saw us pull up at Bucky's. Smoke Dog been holding the road, getting it in. Big truck driver right there. And we about to pull up, man. Can't wait to see the surprise that Knoxville Harley-Davidson got for you, boy. So stay tuned. Turn. Hey. Brother Tony.
Oh man.
Am I excited?
I am so grateful for the fact that you let us be the dealership to do this with you.
Oh man, it's nothing.
It makes me feel so good. Welcome to Knoxville Harley-Davidson.
Hey, I appreciate the hospitality. It is. Look at that. Y'all see what it is.
Sergeant in the Peace Army. Hey, bro, we did something a little special.
It's super dope.
We know how much your trips make birthday make with you, and we had to do that, all right?
I ain't gonna do it today.
You can, it's okay.
Nah, I'm not.
It's okay. But we know this is a dream that you shared with your mother in mind, and we know how important that is for you to share this with her. So we wanted to put that up for you. About celebrating lives and mourning and how we deal with it. And this is one of the ways we want to celebrate that. But that being able to do that was huge for me, man. That was huge for me. And this is we're all gonna sign this and you take it with you, okay?
Appreciate it.
But it says it all on the shirt, brother. Well done. Hey, you ain't even started to see the rewards from everything you've done in life. You know what? You gonna make me cry. I already am. GQ, here's your new bike. Here's your new bike. I know you looked at pictures of them and you may have seen one, but they weren't yours.
It don't do it justice.
This one's yours, buddy. This one's yours.
All right. After an emotional unveiling of my bike, it definitely caught me off guard because it looked way better in person than the few pics that I had seen online, and this baby was absolutely mine. The 121 Milwaukee 8 VVT motor, the wet paint, the premium stitching and badging, and I had to do a full walk around, and when that light hit it just right, the flakes popped harder than kettle cooked corn. And so Tony had took the banner he specially had made for me and had everyone from Knoxville Harley-Davidson sign it. It was a very sentimental moment for me, and it was something that I'll never forget, because he took the time out to put pictures on it that I had taken with me and my moms visiting different places across the United States. Those memories that I share with her will never, ever, ever be forgotten. And for him to think about that, it just made everything so much more special.
Everybody just wanna hear another love song. A song when our friends come over, they can put on. Everybody just wanna hear another love song.
I get you one. Y'all got Harley hover around? You know what? That would be a market.
A Harley hover round.
That would be a market.
Look who you got here, man.
What's going on,
You know,
everybody?
I couldn't look. I'm in your area.
You can't come to Knoxville and not see me, man. You know how it is. How you doing?
I'm good, man.
I'm here visiting my man Just GQ. He came into town. My channel is Big Herc 80. Go check it out. It's gonna have motor vlogging and it's gonna have some installs. And just me and my wife hanging out. I'm the adventurous one. She's the non-adventurous one. So go check it out.
You got Travel and Talk, Run to the Hills.
We got Run to the Hills 5. We've been doing it since 2021. This is the 5th year for it. We're gonna have a good time. So y'all come on down to Knoxville and we're gonna ride. We're gonna hit. I ain't gonna tell you. I ain't gonna tell you where we're going. We're gonna go somewhere.
Then I walked in and seen this and I still don't think.
Receiving those keys in my hand was like unlocking the next level of my adventure when it comes down to riding motorcycles. And I was so eager to get it loaded up. and back
CVO
on the way
game.
to
We
New Orleans.
outside.
Got the bike loaded up. Headed back to the crib. It's been a long day, but definitely worth it. Shout out to everybody, Knoxville Harley, Bootlegger, the whole doggone state of Tennessee. Can't wait to get the bike home and just, tinker with it. You know how you do when you get a new, something new. You spend a lot of time, going over the ins and outs and stuff like that. But yeah, man, it's been one great day. My man, Smoke Dog. Smoke Dog holding the road, man. Always coming with a well-timed joke. You know what I'm saying? Always some type of well-timed joke, man. But, oh, Lord. Shit. I'm about to kill myself outside. Oh, my goodness. I fell out the truck. Yeah. Baby girl doing good. Look at her now. Y'all can't see her. Woo! Woo! And that what happen when you get potato chip juice in your eyes.
And with 6 hours left on our journey, we passed by each state, watching the sun slowly hide behind a cloud stretched across the sky. The trees sticking out were still leafless from the hard winter that had recently passed. And as always on my journeys back home, whether it's on a bike or in this case, a truck, I ponder and have reflection of the hours that recently passed. I'm grateful for those who have helped me along the way, and for those watching from afar rooting me on. The many friends who have become close to me, and those who will go to the ends of the earth to ensure that I'm good. So the Knoxville Harley-Davidson, Tall, Big Hurt, and my Ace Smoke, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. And this is your man GQ, the leader of the Peace Army, telling you guys to be safe, be cool, and most importantly, be you, and peace out until we meet again.